morning, third standard. Hope you will watch these videos for your knowledge, and you will write the question answer which sent by the school for writing you in your EVS pen notebook. So this is our second video of chapter number 5, Chotu's house. In our first video we learned that every man need house. Why? For live in, and house keep us safe from heat, wind, then rain, wild animals, from thieves, etc. And we can protect our valuable things like documents, jewelry, money in our house, right? We can use to build a house, we can use sand, water, cement, concrete, bricks. These all things we can use. We can use our rooms in various ways. For example, we can use lavatory for keep ourselves fresh, means as a toilet, then bathroom, prayer room, drawing room, kitchen, dining room. These all things we can see in the house for different purpose. Okay, now we can keep some animals with us in our house as our pets. For example, rabbit, dog, parrot, cat, etc. They are invited guests. We can use them as a invited guest. But some animals are uninvited, and then also they live with us in our house. For example, lizard, cockroach, rat, right? These all animals also live with us in our house as an uninvited guest. Mainly we can clean our house every day. Is it? Yes, we can. We must use brooms, long brooms. Brooms मतलब झाड़ू, mops, doormats, etc. to keep our house clean. Doormat मतलब कि जिस हमारे घर के मेन डोर में हम लोग लेग्स क्लीन करने के लिए, हमारे फीट जो है उसको क्लीन करके एंटर होने के लिए हम लोग रखते हैं. एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो what says that we can also decorate our house in some special days or in festivals. Special days like wedding, birthday, like that, and Diwali is like Holi, Diwali. These all are festivals in which we can decorate our house with flower petals, color, rangoli, and with lighting, right? Now here are some questions which I will read and give you answer that you have to. So the first question is which is you have on page number 31 in your textbook. So the first question is, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? जब छोटू ने उस पाइप को देखा तो उसने क्या सोचा? Because Chotu came first time in Mumbai from Ahmedabad, and he do not have money to give as a rent, and in Mumbai, as we all know, that there is no space for live, right? We can get food, but we cannot get place to live in Ahmedabad, in Bombay. So there a small boy Chotu suddenly looked a pipe which we can use as some special work. So the first question's answer is, when Chotu looked at the pipe, he thought that pipe is the safest place to live. Pipe can save him from strong wind, rain and cold. और ऐसी जगह है जहाँ से उसको कोई निकाल भी नहीं पाएगा. The pipe is safest place for Chotu and no one can ask him to go out of that place. So he thought that pipe is safest place for him and pipe saved him from wind, rain, heat, etc. So the answer is like that. The question second one, how did Chotu use the pipe? छोटू पाइप का यूज किस तरीके से करता था, that we have to learn. So the answer is, Chotu used the pipe as his home. He must have slept in the pipe, cook his food outside, eat and sat around it for a chat with his friends. उसका जो फ्रेंड था मोनू, उसके साथ बैठ के वहाँ पे वो बात कर सके, प्लस वो उसमें सो सके और बाहर बैठ के अपने फ्रेंड के साथ खाना पका के खा सके, इसके लिए वो यूज करता था. Into which part did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? जो पाइप था उसके सराउंड वाला एरिया और पाइप को कितने पार्ट्स में छोटू ने डिवाइड किया था. So the answer is, the answer of third question is that Chotu divided the pipe and its surrounding area into a part used to sleep or sleeping portion, part for drying clothes, a part used for storing water, a part where guests can sit on as a guest room. Okay, कौन से एरिया में डिवाइड किया? So the Chotu use the pipe as a kitchen, then place for sleeping, drying clothes, and the place for guest room or for sitting friends. So this way Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area. Right now the question is, in which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of his time? जो छोटू ने पाइप के अंदर जो डिवाइड किया था पाइप को, उसको किस तरीके से छोटू उसमें अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना मतलब कि बिताना पसंद करता था. Chotu would like to spend most of his time in the place kept for guests and friends. ज़्यादातर टाइम जो कि छोटू ने अपने फ्रेंड्स और गेस्ट के लिए एज अ पार्ट किया था पाइप में एज अ रूम, उसमें वो उससे ज़्यादा टाइम बिताना पसंद था. So why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि आपको क्या लगता है कि छोटू ने मोनू को अपने साथ रहने के लिए क्यों इनवाइट किया था पाइप में. सो छोटू इनवाइटेड मोनू टू लिव विथ हिम इन द पाइप बिकॉज मोनू हैज़ नो प्लेस टू लिव. मोनू कैन लिव इजीली इन द पाइप और छोटू वॉज लिविंग अलोन इन द पाइप. दैट इज द रीज़न एंड दे यूज टू गेट बोर्ड. मोनू ऑन कैन टॉक एंड प्ले विथ हिम. क्या बात थी, छोटू अकेला था एंड मोनू ऑल्सो अ अलोन पर्सन, तो उसको अपने साथ रहने के लिए पाइप में वो मोनू इजीली उसके साथ रह सकता है, इसके लिए। छोटू अकेला था तो उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए और बातें करने के लिए, और इजीली वो अपना टाइम स्पेंड कर सके, इसके लिए छोटू ने इनवाइट किया था मोनू को। सो just like Chotu, Monu has also come to Mumbai for the first time and he has no place to stay. Moreover, Chotu wanted a friend to stay with him. Therefore, Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe. So these are some question answers that I wrote on the board and explained some answers as well with it. So you have to write these questions answer in your notebook without making any spelling mistake, so that you can read without fail and not write. Do not write the without do not write with bad handwriting. Okay, stay safe and stay with your parents. Bye.